Hey you guys, it's evening time and I just want to show you the view I have of my Rio Samba, which is over here, and my angel's trumpet, and then my elephant ear. Isn't that a beautiful view? Look at that spot. I mean, I can see behind, and that's my neighbor. I love my neighbor. We don't mind them at all. But you can see my beautiful flowers. I mean, the color of it blends in really well. So this is the Rio Samba. I was hoping it would be more like sunset color, but its color is really amazing. I mean, look at it. It's like orange sunset when it first starts out. See another bud right here? And then as it aged, it like turns into this pinkish peach color. This one was damaged due to the rain, but isn't that beautiful? I mean, look at it. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. Here's another one over here. It's so tall I can't even get to the top of it, but isn't that beautiful? And then look at the color. If you just look over here, it just blends right on into this angel's trumpet. And it is right now, look at all the blooms on it. I'm gonna give you guys another view. Oh, and this is my elephant ear. Isn't this one beautiful? I mean, look at the ear itself. I love the structure of it. It's not floppy like a couple of other ones that I have. They're pretty straight. And then here's a big one that's coming out. You see it right there? It's weird because it grows out of each other's, I don't know what you call this. I don't know, branch, stem, stamina. So you can see like each one comes off of other, like this is the one, first one, and then this one came out of this one, and then this one is coming out of this one, and then once this one is full and big and grown, there's another one that'll come out of it. It's kind of weird, but that's how it keeps producing and in its own way blooming. So if you look over here, look at that color. Isn't that beautiful? I have definitely enjoyed this Rio Samba a lot. Like, its growth is really vigorous. I mean, I just come in and I deadhead it, and everywhere where you deadhead, there's new growth, and then from the new growth comes like a whole bunch more. Oh, speaking of that, look, there's one right there I need to deadhead. I always carry my pruning shears with me because you never know what you find. So, get rid of that deadhead. And I'm probably going to eventually come by and cut this one because it got damaged during the rainstorm that we've had all night. But isn't that beautiful? Let's leave it there. And then over here, another view of the angel's trumpet. Isn't that beautiful? Just how it looks. That's the view of my backyard, and I love it and I enjoy it. It's a labor of love. I did a couple of videos of the angel's trumpet before, but if you guys look at it, see when it first starts out, let me see if I can find a small tiny little one. Apparently I can't find any, but see, this is when it's pushing out. It's kind of a lime green color, and then as it keeps on going, it turns white over here. So it's like a multicolor plant for me. And then as it keeps on growing, look at that beautiful color. It's like a pinkish peachish color. And then as it ages even more, look at the slug, it's right on it. I don't know how it climbed all the way up here, but it managed to find it. But this is a spent bloom. It's spent and it's been eaten. There's another slug inside of it. How crazy. There's another bloom over here. But if you just look at it, it's just beautiful. I do believe the blooms, when it blooms, once it gets to this stage, it only lasts for like a day and then it drops off. But as you can see, new ones are coming in to replenish the old one, and I've got a whole bunch of new ones right over here. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. I would recommend growing it. Cutting from it is super easy. Like, if I wanted to, I can just come in, see this new growth right here. I was training it into a standard. I love standard things, but see how it shoots out new growth right here? So if you don't want that, you just, you know, come in and you remove it. And then if you don't remove it, it's gonna send out suckers like this. But it's not a bad kind of sucker because this is its own root system. So whatever the plant is, the suckers will be the exact same thing. So if I wanted to, I can come in and cut off this one right there and cut off this one right here, put it in soil, damp soil, but not like extremely wet where it's drowning, but just damp enough. It'll root another plant and then it'll grow. And then you'll end up with this beautiful plant. So I didn't even know it, but the color scheme is perfect. So that's my view for the evening. I hope you guys have a great view. I hope you have a great evening, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.